So we finally relocated the swarm trap. This swarm trap here actually came from up there in that fork. So we've only shifted it probably about 10 metres. And here we are into our second day. And it now appears that all the bees are now gathering. They're bringing in pollen and they're looking very happy. In a few days, what we will be doing, we'll be shifting this hive to the side and then moving that top bar down into the exact same position and then swapping the contents over, and that will be our move complete. So I'm anticipating that will be a lot easier than shifting the actual swarm trap 10 metres. But I can say we've got to be pretty happy a day and a half on, and this is now looking like normal behaviour. So we didn't lose the bees. They're now behaving themselves, and we've got to say what a very, very happy couple we are finally to get them. So once we get them into our, this is our homemade top bar. So we'll be putting them all in there, and so we'll move the front, we'll come right down and it'll be sitting exactly the same position as that opening there. What we actually put in front of the opening when we opened them up was we put a load of branches and leaves in front, so the bees had to renegotiate and recalibrate themselves. We had that there for half a day. So we've got to say I'm pretty happy with that. The behaviour is now pretty normal. They're bringing in pollen, and we're pretty happy. So here's fingers crossed for the next move. Thank you. Wayne and Judy from Down Under, signing out.